Your transmission is one of the most expensive and complex systems in your car. But what most drivers don't realize is that a small, often overlooked part is quietly working to protect it every single time you drive. The transmission cooler. This tiny component helps keep your transmission fluid at the perfect operating temperature. But when the cooler goes bad, the symptoms are sneaky. The damage is expensive, and ignoring the warning signs can destroy your entire transmission. So today, let's break down how to spot a failing transmission cooler, what happens if you don't fix it, and the real cost of replacing it. Let's dive in. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share the video. So, let's begin. What exactly does a transmission cooler do? Before the symptoms, you need to understand the job. Your transmission generates a lot of heat, especially during towing, climbing hills, stop-and-go traffic, or fast acceleration. Too much heat can break down transmission fluid, burn internal seals, cause slipping, lead to total transmission failure. Symptoms of a bad or failing transmission cooler. Now let's get into the red flags you must pay attention to. Number 1. Transmission overheating. This is the biggest and most dangerous sign. Your dashboard may show a warning message like transmission hot or transmission over temperature. When the cooler can't keep the fluid cold, temperatures rise quickly, and heat is the #1 killer of transmissions. Number 2. Burning smell. If you ever notice a sharp, burnt odor, especially after driving in traffic or under load, it's a sign that transmission fluid is cooking inside the system. Overheated fluid loses its ability to lubricate. If ignored, it can scorch your gears and clutch packs. Number 3. Transmission fluid leaks at the front of the car. A failing cooler can develop cracks, damaged lines, or weak fittings. This leads to puddles of red or dark fluid under the front bumper, wet stains around the transmission cooler lines, low transmission fluid levels. Running with low fluid can destroy a transmission in minutes. Number 4. Poor shifting, rough, slow, or slipping gears. Transmission fluid must stay cool to function properly. When it overheats, you may feel hesitation when accelerating, delayed shifts, jerky or rough gear changes, slipping, engine revs but the car doesn't accelerate equally. This symptom means the problem is already affecting transmission performance. Number 5. Check engine light or transmission warning light. Modern cars constantly monitor temperatures. If the cooler fails and the transmission overheats, your ECU will trigger check engine light, transmission temperature light, reduced power mode. This isn't just a warning, it's a serious cry for help. Number 6. Coolant contamination in vehicles with integrated coolers. Some cars use a transmission cooler inside the radiator. When it fails internally, coolant and transmission fluid can mix, a catastrophic failure. Signs include pink, milky fluid in the radiator, foamy transmission fluid, overheating engine and transmission together. This can destroy both systems if not caught early. Transmission cooler replacement cost. Now let's get into what you're really wondering. How much does it cost to replace a transmission cooler? Here's the breakdown. Transmission cooler unit cost. $50 to $250 for most aftermarket coolers, $200 to $500 for OEM or heavy-duty coolers, up to $600 for trucks with tow package coolers. Labor cost. Labor depends on complexity. Some cars, the cooler is right in front, equals $100 to $150. Others require removing the bumper, equals $200 to $350. Vehicles with integrated radiator coolers equals $300 to $500. It's still much cheaper than rebuilding a destroyed transmission. Should you replace or upgrade? If you tow, drive in hot climates, or carry heavy loads, upgrading to a bigger aftermarket transmission cooler is one of the best investments you can make. Benefits include lower transmission temperatures, longer transmission life, better towing performance, reduced fuel consumption, more consistent shifting. A $100 upgrade can extend your transmission life by years. Final take. Don't ignore the signs. A bad transmission cooler may seem like a small problem, but it has massive consequences if ignored. If you notice overheating, leaks, burnt smells, or shifting issues, don't wait. The sooner you fix it, the safer your transmission will be. Remember, transmission coolers are cheap. Transmissions are very expensive. Early detection saves thousands of dollars. Your cooler isn't just a convenience, it's your transmission's life insurance. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Your support will help keep the content coming. Stay safe, and see you in the next one.